Hey, space fans, have you ever wondered which planet in our solar system is the speed demon? Forget the Flash, forget superheroes. The real speedster is a small, rocky world closest to our sun. Yep, I'm talking about Mercury. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind why Mercury is the fastest planet, leaving all the others in its cosmic dust. So, how fast are we talking? Mercury zips around the sun at a mind-boggling average speed of about 47 kilometers per second. That's nearly 106,000 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, if you could travel at Mercury's speed, you could circle the Earth in less than 15 minutes. Earth, our home planet, plods along at a relatively leisurely 30 kilometers per second. And poor Neptune, the farthest planet, crawls at a mere 5.4 kilometers per second. What gives Mercury this incredible need for speed? It all comes down to two key ingredients: gravity and distance. Let's break it down. The main force at play here is the sun's immense gravity. Think of the solar system as a giant cosmic dance floor, and the sun is the superstar in the center, pulling everything towards it. The closer you are to the sun, the stronger its gravitational pull. Since Mercury is the innermost planet, it experiences the most powerful gravitational tug of all. Now you might think, if the pull is so strong, why doesn't Mercury just fall into the sun? That's a great question, and it brings us to the second part of the equation, orbital velocity. To avoid being pulled into a fiery doom, a planet needs to move sideways, fast enough to constantly miss the star it's orbiting. This sideways motion is what we call orbital speed. Imagine you're swinging a ball on a string around your head. The string is like the sun's gravity, constantly pulling the ball towards your hand. To keep the ball swinging, you have to give it enough speed. If you slow down, the string pulls it in. If you want to swing it on a shorter string, you have to swing it much faster to keep it from hitting your hand. That's exactly what's happening with Mercury. Because it is so close to the sun on a very short string, it has to travel at an incredible speed to maintain a stable orbit. It is in a perpetual state of falling toward the sun, but moving so fast sideways that it continually misses. This perfect balance between gravity's inward pull and the planet's forward momentum is what keeps Mercury in its orbit, making it the fastest planet. This principle is actually described by Johann Kepler's laws of planetary motion, which he figured out way back in the 17th century. His second law, in particular, explains that a planet sweeps out equal areas in equal times. This means when a planet is closer to the sun in its elliptical orbit, it has to move faster. While all planets have slightly elliptical orbits, Mercury's is one of the most eccentric, meaning its distance from the sun varies quite a bit. But on average, its proximity means its speed is consistently the highest. So, while Earth takes a full 365 days to complete one trip around the sun, speedy little Mercury does it in just 88 Earth days. That's right, a year on Mercury is less than 3 months long. Imagine celebrating your birthday 4 times a year. It's a beautiful cosmic ballet where distance dictates speed. The closer a planet is to the sun, the stronger the gravitational pull, and the faster it must move to stay in orbit. From Mercury's frantic sprint to Neptune's slow, majestic journey, every planet moves at the perfect speed for its position. So, next time you look up at the sky, remember the tiny, swift messenger of the gods, Mercury, our solar system's undisputed racing champion, forever locked in a high-speed dance with the sun. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more space adventures. Let me know in the comments what other celestial mysteries you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.